Hello children, now we will start the new lesson of EVS 1 variety of foods. Now look at the book. Variety, lesson number 6, variety in foods. We use the vegetables and grains bought from market to prepare different dishes in our meal. Let us carry out the following activity related to food. Now see, these are some grains. Which grains and vegetables does your family buy from the market? Now which are the grains? That is wheat, bajra, jawar, like this. These are the grains. Then vegetables, all vegetables, spinach, then potato, tomato, chili, like this. As shown below, make the table of different dishes prepared from different grains or vegetables at home. This is the activity. You have to find the names of fruits, names of vegetables, names of grains, and you have to make the table. That is from rice. What we make? We make idlis from rice, then bhakri from rice, and rice from rice, like this. From wheat chapati, then paratha, like this you have to write here. Look at your list. If a grain or vegetable is used to make more than one item, that is dish, write the total number of such items in the next column. Compare your list with that of your friends. That means you have to collect as many dishes as you can make it. You will realize that various dishes can be made from the same ingredients. Even when there is a variety in the dishes, the basic ingredients remain same. In the example above, we saw various preparations of rice. That means we can make the same things, that is idli, dosas, uttapa, from the same batter. In every region, there is one staple food. What is the reason for that? Staple, that is supplementary food. Study the map given above. This is the map. India's major food crops. That means in which area which crop is grown. Observe the distribution of food crops in the country. In India, the distribution is shown here. You have to study it at home because we cannot explain the minor things here. You have to study it with your parents. Here are the symbols, that is which is rice. Rice crops are here. Then jawar, then wheat. You have to find the areas. Agriculture. Agriculture is the main occupation in all parts of our country. It is mainly dependent on rainfall. The rainfall received in all regions is not the same. In regions of high rainfall, crops such as rice, coconut, ragi and varai are grown. Wheat, tur and soybean are grown in regions of moderate rainfall. म्हणजे जास्त ॲग्रिकल्चर ही वेगवेगळ्या भागात, म्हणजे वेगवेगळ्या क्रॉप्सला वेगवेगळं रेनफॉल लागत असतो. जास्त रेनफॉलच्या याच्यात काय असतं, आता हा कोकण एरिया, इथे काय होतं जास्ती करून तर राईस, कोकोनट, राई, वरई वगैरे ते तिकडे होतात. त्याचप्रमाणे वीट, तूर, सोयाबीन हे मॉडरेट म्हणजे मध्यम रेनफॉल जिथे असतो तिथे होतं. जवार, बाजरा अँड मोद, बीन्स ग्रोन इन रिजन्स ऑफ लो रेनफॉल. जिथे कमी रेनफॉल असतो तिथे जवार, बाजरा आणि मोद वगैरे होतात. टू हेल्प क्रॉप्स टू ग्रो grow well, good seeds, fertile soil, sufficient sunlight and water are needed. आपल्याला चांगलं क्रॉप्स येण्यासाठी काय काय गरजेचं असतं तर गुड सीड्स, त्याच्यात बी जे आहे, सीड्स जे आहेत ते चांगले असायला पाहिजे. सॉईल कशी असायला पाहिजे, फर्टाईल असायला पाहिजे, सफिशियंट सनलाईट असायला पाहिजे आणि पाणी असायला पाहिजे. अकॉर्डिंग टू द सीझन अ व्हरायटी ऑफ ग्रीन फ्रूट्स अँड व्हेजिटेबल्स आर ग्रोन इन अवर कंट्री. नाव these are some activity. Visit a local fruit seller, how many fruits he is buying or like that. Then this is famous food items in Maharashtra and neighboring state. It is given on this map. The map given below depicts famous food items from Maharashtra and its adjoining states. Study the map and complete the table given below, that is district and state, which food items are famous and what are its main ingredients. The main crop grown in any region is used to make various items in that region. For example, jawar is grown on a large scale in the Plateau region, Maharashtra. Hurda, then lahya, bhakri, घुगऱ्या, पापड, सांडगे, आंबील, then धपाटे, dirde, etc. are preparations of jawar enjoyed in that region. In Konkan or the coastal region, rice, coconut and coconut oil are widely used. In central Maharashtra, jawar, bajra, groundnut, soybean, sesame and mustard are more commonly used. Note that this variety in crops is due to the change in climate and soil. The crops grown in region determine the diet of the people in that region. Some fruits and vegetables which were previously available only in certain season are now available all the year round. There are several reasons for this. Availability of water throughout the year, availability of improved seeds, importing fruits and vegetables from various parts of the world, faster transport facilities. Then what we have learned from this lesson, diversity in food items. That means in our state and in our India, which food items are usually made or from which they are made, that is its ingredient. Food items vary according to the region. The availability of grains, fruits and vegetables depends on the season. The various food items in Maharashtra and neighboring states.